It's under the chair.
birdhouse.
It's right there.
Where?
Under there.
So we're gonna be painting the birdhouse.
Let them see the birdhouse.
Birdhouse stuff.
Turn around.
Okay. So, and this is the front of it. This is the roof. And here's a little heart for the birds to go in. It's so cute. Okay, let's get started.
All right, so where's the paint? What color are you painting it?
Lime green. Oh, guys. Ew. It's not scared of you, it's scared of me.